Hello everybody. Today's video we are dealing with our last prose lesson 2.9 Doer to Mentor. It is an inspiring story of Mr. Lal, who is a chairman of global organization. It is a story of Mr. Lal who started these organizations from initial stage to the huge organization. So Mr. Lal is called Doer to Mentor. It is his self experience how he become a doer, then how he transmit his role from doer to manager, manager to director, director to mentor, that is called chairman. Okay, he started his career as a doer and now he is a mentor. He mentally encourage, give direction to all the teammates. So this is a successful story. Writer appeals us, if you want to be a global leader, you should develop these stages like Mr. Lal. Okay, Mr. Lal is a successful entrepreneur and he started his career from initial age to the mentor to the chairman. So it is an inspiring story to us. Let us discuss doer to mentor, the real story of Mr. Lal. Course outcomes, you know the course outcomes, then summary. Okay, one by one. It is a simple inspiring story how a man changed his role and how he achieved tremendous success, how he changed his role. Okay, what qualities we require to be a global leader. Mr. Lal was the chairman of global corporations, company's name global corporations. Being a jet setter made him experience different time zone month after month, and he's a role model for us. Every month he changed his role and achieved tremendous success in his life. He had to counter challenges in different geographies. He faced counter challenges means he faced difficulties, he accept the challenges in different geographies, cultures, economics and laws. He faced the challenge, he faced the difficulty like regions, cultures, economics and laws. Among all this, he would handle the routine humdrum of top management egos. Humdrum means very egoistic, very well-known management ego, union problems, his time to the family, meeting political leaders, and the daily drill of routine too. Okay, he become a chairman. Okay, and he become a chairman. Every month he changed his role. He faced the difficulties like geography, culture, economics, laws, as well as he handled all managers union problems, solve the union problems, give the time for family members, meeting political leaders, and his daily work also. In spite of this handling, he became a chairman. We had the honor of meeting him, and the writer said that we are taking interview him, and it is a pleasant experience to meet him. Learn growth lessons from him directly. We can learn growth lesson from him. Lal had agreed to spend a few hours with all of us. We were dressed up with our formal attire, attached, and we carried gift of gratitude. We are also ready to meet him because he gives us time and share his growth. As he hands meet in the lock at as the hands meet in the lock in a specific way, whatever the time he gave at that time, he entered with backpack. We expected he would arrive with an encounter means with number of secretaries, advisor and helpers. Instead he came alone. हमें लगा था कि वो लोगों के साथ आएगा, secretaries हैं, advisor, helpers, but nothing. Instead he came alone and set up his laptop, saw his calendar and came towards us with a smile of a child. लैपटॉप के साथ आया, ओपन किया, कैलेंडर देखा एंड गिव अ स्माइल लाइक अ चाइल्ड, इनोसेंट स्माइल. द इनिशियल स्टेज गिव अस अ साई ऑफ रिलीफ. इनिशियल स्टेज में हमारा जो टेंशन था, जो वरीज था कि इतने टॉप लीडर के साथ, ग्लोबल लीडर के साथ, एक चेयरमैन, ग्लोबल कॉरपोरेशन के चेयरमैन के साथ हम मिल रहे, जो स्ट्रेस था वो रिड्यूस हुआ. द साई ऑफ रिलीफ एज ही मेड अस वेरी कंफर्टेबल वाइल वी एक्सपेक्ट टू फील इंटिमिडेट में शाय, नर्वसनेस रिड्यूस हुआ. व्हाट इज द सीक्रेट ऑफ हिज सक्सेस? वी सॉक्ड. सिक का पास फॉर्म सॉक. कि क्या सीक्रेट है उसके सक्सेस का. आफ्टर इनिशियल प्लेजेंटरीज, हेलो हाउ आर यू, आई एम फ्रॉम दिस like this initial pleasantries, the question pop out of one of our voice. He smiled and assured that he would reply in the course of the interactions. Lot of questions occurred in my mind, in our minds, so he assure you that okay, I will give each and every question's answer during my interactions with. Next, he had seen a lot more decades than any of us. He has a vast experience. Yet he was the quickest to move. निकला वो ऑफिस के बाहर and quickest to move. We all followed him. A few healthy ones among us were gasping for breath to keep space even at the physical ramp. Okay, he walks so fastly and we are feeling breathing systems, we are facing some sort of breathing problems because he fasts very fast. As we were walking, he walked past the work area to reach the next building. We also walking with him, he reached the next building where we were supposed to sit. हमें लगा कि वहाँ पे बैठेंगे, but no. As he moved to the work area, he could see three people amongst the thousand having a perlak look at screen as if it were a horror show. तीन लोग हैं उसके आजू बाजू में, थाउजेंड्स लोग इकट्ठा हुए एंड दे आर लुकिंग, देर इज सम प्रॉब्लम्स. They seems to have faced a major technical glitch. Glitch means problem, and the chairman occupied his chair for a few seconds. He could understand the entire issues in a minute and gave simple and short instruction which brought an instant smile in the Greek. चेयरमैन आ गए, चेयरमैन ने देखा विद इन फ्यू सेकंड में और एक सजेशन दिया, और उस सजेशन से वो सब वर्कर के आंखों में एक चमक आ गई, स्माइल आ गई. देखो, वी वंडर, Lal is a global leader. He could solve even the problem of a desk like a Greek. हमें आश्चर्य हुआ कि he is a global leader, but he solved the very ground level reality also, very ground level questions problem also. Lal uttered, I had worked on these machines burning midnight oil for a long time. मैं इन मशीन के साथ बहुत समय तक वर्क किया हूँ. बर्निंग मिडनाइट ऑयल मतलब मैंने बहुत, I do lot of work with that machines. I do lot of work with lot of time with that machines. When I started the organization, I was the doer. When I started this organization, at that time I am a doer. I used to do everything. सब कुछ मैं करता था. बी अ कोडिंग, मैं कोडिंग भी करता था, सिस्टम आर्किटेक्चर, अकाउंटिंग, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, बैक ऑफिस और बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट. आई वॉज सोल रिस्पॉन्सिबल. सब मैं काम करता था, कोडिंग का भी, सिस्टम आर्किटेक्चर का भी, अकाउंट का भी, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का भी, बैक ऑफिस का भी एंड बिजनेस डेवलप का भी. दैट वाज द स्टेज आई वाज अ डूअर. और उस स्टेज में आई एम अ डूअर. नाउ we move towards the conference halls. He is a doer stage. He is a doer. He do all the things, which is phenomenal aspects of business. We move towards the conference hall where we were supposed to be seated. हमें लगा यहाँ बैठेंगे, but नहीं. He had a conference call with SBU heads. Okay, SBU heads spanning across 6 countries. Lal spoke about the global launch, IP strategy, and the higher launch of business. He could move from the domain to strategy domain quickly, and he changed his role domain to strategy domain. उसने doer to strategy planner में लोन चेंज कर दिया. He could move from the doing domain to strategy domain quickly. We saw the video call with awe मतलब wonderful, where group dynamics, marketing thoughts, and many other agendas bullets were discussed amidst translator, technology, timing difference, and different views. कि हमने देखा कि वो कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल में डिफरेंट व्यूज, इश्यूज डिस्कस किए गए. फॉर एग्जांपल डायनामिक्स, मार्केटिंग थॉट्स एंड अदर स्ट्रैटेजीज with the help of translator, technologies, timing difference, other countries के different views. We could see the swift transition from the technical issue to the global perspectives in a matter of a few minutes. और हमने देखा कि एक आदमी change his role from doer, from technical issue to the strategic issues. A man who solved the techniques, who solved the problems of a worker, the same man changed his role as a global perspectives, as a strategy player. लाल डिस्क्राइब हिज 2 decades इन अ शॉर्ट स्क्वेल ऑफ सेंटेंस, और लाल ने डिस्क्राइब किया कि मैं फर्स्ट डिकेड में डूअर था, नाउ आई एम अ स्ट्रैटेजी प्लानर, विच अपियर टू बी द फाउंडेशन ऑफ हिज सक्सेस स्टोरी। लाल नैरेटेड, आई वॉज अ डूअर वेन आई स्टार्टेड, उन्होंने बोला कि मैं डूअर था जब आई स्टार्टेड दिस। आई यूज टू डू एवरीथिंग दैट फेज हेल्प मी टू सस्टेन एज आई हैड टू curtail cost. It also helped me to know all the nuisance of the business. Nuisance means सब कुछ थोड़ा थोड़ा, बारकाई का। nuisance means सबसे छोटा, सबसे माइन्यूट, चिंदी बोल सकते हैं आप उसे। ईच एंड एवरीथिंग आई लर्न एज अ डूअर, विदाउट दैट स्टेज आई कुड हैव नेवर अंडरस्टूड हायर मैनेजमेंट थॉट्स, और उस माइन्यूट डिटेल से मैं मैनेजर नहीं बन पाऊंगा। He continued, a financial director should have been an accountant at some times of his career to perform effectively. देखो डूअर था, अब क्या बना, फिनेंशियल डायरेक्टर एज अकाउंटेंट ऑल्सो। आई यूज टू डू द मोस्ट टॉकिंग एज अ डूअर, मैं बहुत बोलता था व्हेन आई वाज अ डूअर। नाउ ही ट्रांसमिटेड हिज रोल। देखो ही कंटिन्यू, अ फिनेंशियल डायरेक्टर शुड हैव बीन एन अकाउंटेंट, एक फिनेंशियल डायरेक्टर को अकाउंटेंट होना ज़रूरी है। उसी प्रकार एक मैनेजर को, एक मेंटर को टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम्स और स्ट्रैटेजी प्लान करने भी, टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम भी सॉल्व करना आना चाहिए, मतलब टाइनिएस्ट न्यूसेंस बिजनेस स्किल्स भी आनी चाहिए। फिनेंशियल डायरेक्टर को अकाउंटेंट का भी नॉलेज होना चाहिए। आई यूज टू डू द मोस्ट टॉकिंग एज डूअर, नाउ देन आई बिकम द मैनेजर, देन आई बिकम, देखो वन रोल टू अनदर वन। ओके, फर्स्ट क्या था, कोडिंग, सिस्टम आर्किटेक्चर, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशंस, अकाउंटेंट, okay, business planner also. Then he become manager, then I become the manager. Managing people also meant teaching them work, couple with balance their egos, teaching their work, follow their balance their ego. I had to undergo transition from a doer to a delegator in this space, अब doer to delegator manager बन गए। I used to delegate works and monitor the work progress, ओके। डेलीगेट्स मतलब ऑब्जर्वर एंड मॉनिटर द प्रोग्रेस। मोस्ट वर्क इश्यूज इल्स most work issues escalated to me and I had to be a good listener at this stage। देखो when I am a doer I talk too much things, but when I am a manager, when I change my role as a delegator, I just listen। without being a good leader earlier, never I could have been an effective manager। एक लीडर बनने के लिए आई शुड बी अ गुड इफेक्टिव मैनेजर। एज अ डूअर आई टॉक अ लॉट, while as a manager it had to be listening part। the organization grew and any managers reported to me। अब देखो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बढ़ती गई, मैनेजर्स बढ़ते गए, और एवरी मैनेजर रिपोर्ट मी। टाइम टू माइग्रेट एज अ लीडर हैड कम, और टाइम आ गया टू चेंज हिज रोल एज अ लीडर। आई हैड टू लीड द मैनेजर्स, inspire them to reach the goal of the organization। now he become a leader, he become a chairman, gives inspiration to achieve the goal of organization। here I had to undergo transition to be a motivator and guide them, and I changed my role as a motivator and guide। this is the journey। without being a good doer and a popular manager, एक अच्छा डूअर और पॉपुलर मैनेजर, आई would have never been an effective leader। okay, Narendra Modi start his career as a simple act, activist। he is a simple worker of RSS, स्वयं था, स्वयं सेवक था, and he become prime minister। तो लाल said that if you want to be a good leader, you should be a good doer and a popular manager। as a leader I just like an orchestra conductor, I had to just snake all the activity towards a common goal। now I have been a mentor for this organization। my doer days taught me to act, मेरे doer days ने मुझे क्या सिखाया, how to act। my manager days guide me to manage, मेरे manager के डेज ने guide to manage। my leader days made me to create managers and now my mentor, my leader, then leader बन गए हो। my leader days made me to create managers, guide to manage। my leader days made me to create managers, and now my mentor days are to create leaders. अब मुझे क्या करना है बेटा? I want to create leaders. These leaders will lead the organization, and these leaders will lead the organization. We realized that Lal underwent a transaction at every stage. He was a doer and grew up to be a manager. He's graduated to the role of a leader, and finally the mentor of a mentor followed this up. Okay, doer to manager, manager to leader, leader to mentor. As a doer, he does all works, technical issues also. Manager manage all these things. Leader create managers, motivate, inspire them. And leader create and mentor create leader. He had to change his thought process, his attitude and communication. All the role are important. Each of us need to figure out in our business as to where we are positions. Many small entrepreneurs get married to the doer synecdoche. Both entrepreneurs रहते हैं, enterprises get married. Many small enterprises get married to a doer synecdoche, और doer ही बन जाते हैं. वो मैनेजर बनते हैं क्या? नहीं. They will become a leader? No. They will become a mentor? No. They will get married to a doer, and the company would remain small. Many others would get plaster to a manager role. कुछ लोग प्लास्टर मैनेजर ही बन जाते, चिपक जाते हैं वो किसको? मैनेजर को ही. अ फ्यू ऑफ देम मूव टू द लीडर रोल, विच इज़ अ होल लॉट ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, ग्रुप स्ट्रैटेजी एंड स्किल ऑफ लीडिंग एंड मोटिवेटिंग. और लीडर बनने के लिए क्या चाहिए? लॉट ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, ग्रुप स्ट्रैटेजी, skill of leading and motivating. It requires a tremendous brain to be a leader, or it requires obviously intelligence. A mentor would be molded out of compassions. एक mentor क्या रहता है? It is molded, it is a variation of compassions, selflessness and visionary. Every characteristic is important. A doer is like a baby learning tiny steps. Doer is a baby learning tiny steps. The manager is running together. Manager उनके साथ दौड़ता है. A leader is directing a large number of people in a run, while a mentor is creating a vision to all runners and taking them there. देखो, doer is a baby like a baby learning like tiny step, छोटे छोटे. मैनेजर दौड़ में भाग पड़ता है. लीडर क्या करता है? डायरेक्टिंग अ लार्ज ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल इन अ रन. ओके, डायरेक्ट कर रहा है, वो दौड़ने के लिए डायरेक्ट कर रहा है. और लीडर क्या करता है? मेंटर इज क्रिएटिंग अ विजन टू ऑल द लर्नर. ही क्रिएट विजन टू ऑल द लर्नर. Mentor is creating a vision to all the learner and taking them there. The size of the organization grow depending on how fast, smooth and clear the transaction of the entrepreneur is. A doer can be a mentor. This growth phase has to be embraced in every organization, और यही ग्रोथ का फ्रेज एवरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में होना चाहिए. सेंटेंस. Counter means to face, to accept. Humdrum means very busy. Attire means external appearance. Encourage, give inspirations. Gratitude means feeling say thanks. Realism means really. Delegates means the persons who are the director, who are work as a director, give the directions. Transactions means transform, change. Tremendous means very huge, and compassion means having the feelings and emotions. I hope you understand the summary. Next video we are dealing with question answer round. Thank you. I hope you understand it. Thank you.